Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing Excel so it can record your actions. Open the Developer tab and enable macros. Click Record Macro, give a clear name, assign a shortcut if you want speed, and choose where to store it. Then perform the exact sequence of steps you want automated, format cells, filter, paste values, because the recorder captures keystrokes and mouse actions. Once done, click Stop Recording. This creates the baseline macro you will edit and reuse. Next, edit the recorded macro to make it robust and reusable. Open the Visual Basic editor and find your macro under Modules. You should replace hard-coded ranges with variables or named ranges, and use loops to handle many rows or files. Add if conditions to skip empty cells and basic error handling so the macro recovers from unexpected input. Make sure to comment key lines so you or others understand why changes were made. Save a test. Finally, decide how the macro will run manually on Workbook Open or scheduled with Task Scheduler. Choose based on frequency. Test thoroughly using a small sample and add logging so you see what ran and where. If something goes wrong, step through the code with F8 in the editor, inspect variable values, and fix the offending line. Common issues are wrong ranges or sheet names. Make sure to back up your file before wider deployment to prevent data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.